Hey world! Welcome back our some viewers. What's next in this video? We wanted to find the value of this expression 71 divided by 1 over 5 then times 5. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 5 divided by 5 which equals 1. So here we have just 1 and 71 divided by 1 equals 71. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 71 divided by 1 over 5. To do this division, write down the 71 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 5 over 1, which gives 5. And here again we have times 5. 71 times 5 gives us 355. So 355 times 5 which equals 1775. And so our final answer to this problem is just 1775. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell.